Who is PSYCH-K for? PSYCH-K can be used by those who are ready to take responsibility for their own transformation as a way to reprogram subconscious limiting beliefs and perceptions that often block the expression of the potential we have to experience life fully. For people with physical, mental, or emotional health challenges, PSYCH-K is a path that complements medical treatment by helping activate the natural self-healing properties of our system, mind, body, and spirit. For a therapist, for a coach, or a health professional, PSYCH-K is an ideal complement to support other people in their process of transformation, healing, and expansion. For those seeking to expand on a spiritual level, PSYCH-K is a tool that can significantly assist in accelerating spiritual evolution. PSYCH-K allows us to reduce stress by taking us to what is called the whole brain state. This is a special state of consciousness that activates the two hemispheres of the brain at the same time, which in turn opens a portal to a higher state of consciousness and communication with our inner spiritual guide or higher self. How does PSYCH-K work? PSYCH-K is a state-of-the-art spiritual technology that creates a highly receptive whole brain state, which reduces the resistance to change in the subconscious mind. PSYCH-K works as a kind of mental keyboard to communicate with the subconscious mind in a simple, direct, effective, and verifiable way. When you learn to reprogram the software of your mind, you fundamentally change your belief system, which is the basis of everything that happens in your daily life. When you change beliefs, you change your attitude and behaviors, and therefore change the outcome. This is how you become the designer of the life you deserve.